Hi there. Canva is a powerful tool. If you can use it properly, you can literally design any kind of simple yet powerful designs with Canva. So today we'll try to do this amazing minimal ad in PowerPoint, in Canva. So let's dive into it. So first of all, we need to break down what we have to cover throughout this design. We have a simple background and we have an airplane and that is going vertically up. So let's get started. I have taken a board here, like a design canvas, and then I'll go for elements and I will search for rectangle, RECTANGLE. So rectangle and this one. So I will place it something like that. Fine. And I will go to select this one and go to this one corners, and I will round the corner like this one. So this corner has been exposed, so I will stretch them out so that they goes out of the canvas, and I will press Ctrl D or just select this and press this duplicate button so that it get copied. So let's get a bit closer. Okay, fine. So select both this and place to the middle. Now I have a thing that I have to focus on this original design, that the airplane is not covering the whole vertical space. It is stopping in the middle. So let's make a copy of this and then place somewhat like this one and place everything down and make it a bit larger. Okay, so now the job is to search for a airplane, go to graphics, and then I think this realistic airplane will do the job in a better way. So place into the middle. Boom. So the next part is for the text. So I will grab this text from here. Hola, here you go.